What are we doing? We're shooting a music video today with Mr. Lexnour.
Hi.
Lex is well, he started in Ottawa and he's growing all over the world. He's got really long arms and they can touch other countries like Malaysia and
Philippines, South Africa.
Yeah, you named some pretty crazy
African
countries. So he's got fans all over the world. So we're in undisclosed location number 62 and we're shooting a music video on Blackmagic 6K Pro. As always, you never go anywhere without a Cameron and a Ryan because you can't do anything without them. We're applying a lot of cinematic techniques to kind of motivate natural light coming in. The song is called My Depression. The way I visualized this was someone who's depressed might not turn on a lot of lights in their house. Come along as we do this. Okay. Also, did it work?
We're shooting with the Zine CF, first time ever using these lenses for any of us, but we've used the Rokinon little cheapos. These are pretty impressive. A little bit of distortion, little hair chromatic aberration, but overall, pretty nice. Shout out to Origin for renting these to us for a sweet deal. Always taking good care of us.
A trippy one where I'm kind of like seeing the reflection of your face and just kind of, there's like two of you kind of thing.
Yeah.
So we could do another
Love it, bro.
option where we get just like a trippier angle.
Yeah, I love that shit. It's so good.
I like this frame a lot.
We have an Amaran F22 panel up here with a little booming it in. That way you can move the camera around, you don't have to worry about stands. This is super helpful, very soft kind of hair light. And then if you look over here, we have an Amaran 200X. And this is just sort of filling the corner. And what that's doing is it's gonna wrap around our fantastic wrapper here, around his beautiful face and fill out.
I did not even know we were filming. Hi.
And then another thing that we have as well is this wonderful window that's just letting in a lot of natural light. It's kind of like a practical. And then just to kind of get rid of all the ambient light that would bounce through the room, we have this massive 12 by 12 negative running along here, and that's just going to absorb all the light and give us some depth, give us some kind of shape to the light, so it's not just a room full of light.
I have no idea what he just said, but it looks great. So let's get it.
Let's do it.
Hi.
I really like that. That was a lot nicer than the... It was just a little bit... I like the angle and the way the light was hitting him a little bit better. Oh shit. So we can do a couple more of those. And
I like that one right there.
Okay, we just wrapped up another crazy scene. I'm gonna sit where Alex was. Look at that. Look how incredible that looks. So
Wait, let me get you.
Cameron's got me on the haze. Look at that. So basically the haze just creates more atmosphere, more cinematic look. So okay, so we just finished a really dope scene here with Alex, and this is a big open room, super bright room. So I'm gonna flip this around and I'm gonna let my talented crew here explain what they did.
Ryan just ran away. But as you can tell in this room, we're at 1 o'clock right now. We got a lot of natural light coming in, but we're trying to kind of emulate kind of a night scene, if you will. So we have this massive piece of sort of felt, it's a flag, 12 by 12, blocking out the rest of the house and the windows coming in. And then on this side, we have some negative that's stopping any bounce from hitting the side of his face. Over here, we have more negative blocking the other side of his face. And then if you look out the window there, we have 2 tungsten lights, one with a Fresnel on it that really gets sort of a hard light that's giving the side of the face. Those are the only lights we used on this. Out here, we have 2 windows, which we also blacked out, just leaving that one pane open over there to let the light through. Let's go outside and look at the lights. I originally had 2 Lowell DPs set up kind of at a cross pattern. So I'm using the RE as a Fresnel to kind of hard hit the face. And then I was using the Lowells as like washes to sort of fill out the room. But this one I was kind of using as a back wall fill, and we realized that we want a darker environment in the room. So we got rid of that. That's why it's on the ground. I stole the stand really quick to put up a neg. But it was 3 lights, now it's 2 lights. And we're stoked about it.
Honestly, lighting stuff from outside inside, I love it. It makes me so happy. It's just cool. It gives you a lot of room for framing inside. And there's the real sun. But the real sun moves a lot quicker than you might realize. So like this, you can keep the same light for a couple hours at least, which we don't need.
Until the bulb dies.
The pane, and then are you gonna sip or is it just a pour? Exactly there, looks amazing. So I think we're good to roll it. If you want to play the track, we'll go for one. Set the bottom of the bottle in the morning. It's an every pill, that's why This is a crazy shot. I'm freaking loving how this is looking. We're motivating window light. We're motivating the stovetop light. Cameron threw up the F21 here. Bounce a little bit of light off the ceiling just to kind of fill it all in. Lots of negative, lots of blocking light. Really, really just solid red beats recording.
Yeah. Anytime, man.
Opening scene of the music video. Ryan had a crazy idea. Yet again. We flipped the tripod plate. We're gonna follow Alex getting up. You gonna try? Start right.
Damn, I got the six pack. Damn, I got the six pack.
This is amazing. Ryan came with the crazy idea to flip the tripod mount and then use the tilt on the fluid head to do a really kind of epic special effects looking shot of Alex just like rising out of bed. It's amazing because it's one of the opening scenes in the video, so we're just gonna captivate those viewers.
I'm taking a nap.
This guy's sleeping on set. kind of artist. And then we have our last scene after this, and then that's a wrap. A shirt might be good for this one. It just like, we don't see your legs, so you look naked. Like, because we don't see your legs.
So right now we have lit the room with, we have a nice little amaranth panel over there with a little bit of blue, trying to emulate some moonlight. We got another one up there with just as cool as it'll go. Bombs away, baby.
We're in the shower. This is our final scene of the day, which makes me very excited. You look up here, one of the handiest lights in the world. This isn't the first time we've done this. You may have seen it in another video of a BTS where we were inside of a car. We did this. It's a flexible light panel, so you can just stick it anywhere. But basically, he's gonna be doing some B-roll. He's gonna be like, in the shower, just like, you know what, just pissed. Forming a little bit of mix of B-roll and just some like a scream. And then that'll be a wrap. This is, although it's the final scene we're shooting today, it happens early in the music video. We have to make it look like daylight. To that level over there. Oh, he's so echoey in there. And that'll be the scene, so it's gonna be sick. So stick around and go watch the full video. Link down below. Yeah.
And getting out.
Yeah.
Instead of grabbing the towel, it's too cliche. Let's do like, okay, he's doing this. It could just be like,
and action. Is that a wrap? I think that's a wrap.
That's a fucking, oh, it's a freaking wrap!
it felt like we were about to shoot something else.
I think that's a
But you gotta really get me like this, huh?
Thank you for watching, and go watch the music video. We'll link it down below. Go like it, follow it on Spotify, follow Alex on Spotify, Instagram. He posts hilarious TikToks and Reels on social media. Really funny skits.
Just Google Lexnour Beats.
He's got a big, well-deserved following, this guy. Go check it out.
Yes, for having us.
Thank you guys, man. You guys killed it.
Can't wait to see. I know when this
I'm not gonna lie, like I didn't expect it to be this fire. Not that I underestimated you. I don't know. You guys exceeded expectations for sure.
Well, alright, let's get the fuck out of this place.
Cheers.
It's so hot in here.